Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to synchronize Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. After that, tap at your icon at the right top, and right here the second line we have backup. So to synchronize your Google Photos you need to turn on the backup. So click turn on, then select original quality and confirm. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!